Hello everyone, welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking. And today I'm going to share with you how to make an Indian Chinese or Indo-Chinese recipe called Drums of Heaven. In a nutshell, Drums of Heaven are basically chicken lollipops tossed in a sweet and spicy sauce. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. And for our ingredients, we need the following. For the red bell pepper, this is approximately 50 grams. The gochujang paste that I'm using is a mild one and it's a little sweet. In case you don't have the paste, you may use tomato ketchup and add a little sugar. Or you may also use Szechuan sauce. Do you wonder what part of the chicken is chicken lollipop? If your guess is the chicken wings, you're absolutely right. It is the meatiest part of the wings called the drumette. In this video, you will see how the chicken is being cut into lollipops. Let's prepare our marinade. In a bowl, combine the red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, liquid seasoning, and black pepper. Stir the ingredients until combined. Add the chicken into the marinade and mix them together until the chicken is fully coated. It is best to marinate it for half an hour. Fast forward, add the corn flour and all-purpose flour in the marinated chicken. Pour a quarter cup of water and mix until thick batter is formed and lollipops are well coated. Deep fry the chicken for approximately 5 minutes until golden brown and set aside. And for our sauce, saute the onions and garlic for a few minutes. Add the red bell pepper and red chili and stir fry for another minute. For the soy sauce, liquid seasoning, oyster sauce, gochujang paste, and 2 tablespoons of water. You may also add a pinch of sugar in case you want it more sweeter. Pour the cornstarch mixture and stir for another 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the cooked chicken. I'll be coating half of the chicken and the other half. I'll serve it with blue cheese sauce and sweet chili sauce. And it's time to eat. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.